Hi everybody, foXnoMad here, and today I want to help you travel smarter with this 1-minute review of the 1More Comfobuds. If you want to watch the full review, I'll leave a link to that in the description below, but these are the highlights. First of all, the 1More Comfobuds are designed to look a lot like Airpods, but if you try to compare them to Airpods, you'll be disappointed in every way. If we take a look at just these earbuds themselves, well, they get the look right, but they're a little bit rough around the edges. And when I say rough around the edges, I mean that literally, because the ear tips are hard plastic and ribbed, which aren't very comfortable and they don't fit very well in your ears. The sound quality though is pretty good. It's pretty clear, but if you like bass in your music or your podcast or whatever you're listening to, you can pretty much forget about it when it comes to the Comfo Buds. So are these Comfo Buds worth getting over AirPods? That's a clear no. AirPods are definitely way better. And if you're looking in the $50 price range for earbuds that have this form factor, there are some better options, which I'll also leave a link to in the description below. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.